Hey guys, it is week 4, and as you can see on my screen, here is your daily checklist. Unfortunately, I will not be able to be here again this week, so if you are going to school, make sure that if there's a sub there, you are bringing your instrument and going through this checklist each day that you're on campus. And for those of you who are Craven Live or on days when you're off campus, you should be going through this list at home, just as we would be doing if you were Zooming. Now, if for some reason there's no sub and you have to go to another teacher's room, you won't be able to play your instrument and you will need to do the activities that don't require playing. So I'm going through this daily checklist to make sure everybody understands. First, you should be going through your long tone warm-ups. Here's a play along track to help you do that, followed by the play along track for count, play, level up, set 3. And then here is chart 8, teaching rhythm logically. I need you to go through lines 3 and 4, annotate the counts, and then you should be practicing clapping and playing through them as well. This rhythm review, that would be something you could do if there's no sub on a day when you're at school or if you finish. This isn't something you have to do, but it is kind of fun to play along with. And then we need to continue reviewing number 13 in our Sound Innovations book. You do not have a new assignment from your Sound Innovations book this week, but some of you have not completed that yet. And if you have completed it, please continue to review it until we move on to the next one. And then for the past 2 weeks, I've linked the E-flat concert scale and arpeggio here, and you can see which instrument, what the name of your scale is going to be based on the instrument. So if you play bells, flute, oboe, trombone, baritone, or tuba, it's going to be your E-flat scale. Trumpet, clarinet, tenor sax, it's going to be your F scale. Alto sax is C, and we don't have any French horns, but they would be B-flat. So you can get there by clicking on this link, and it'll open it up in Smart Music for you. Please practice this early. Don't wait until I assign it to you. You eventually will be assigned this as an Smart Music assignment, but go ahead and start learning it now. And you can see I have B-flat clarinet selected. You would need to select your instrument, whatever that is. Let's just say, for example, trombone. And then you would also need to select the correct scale name. So as soon as this loads, I'm going to have to select E-flat concert for trombone. Right now it's on B-flat. So you do actually have to scroll down until you see number, there we go, 36, E-flat major scale and arpeggio. If you can't remember what instrument to select or which scale to select, it's right here, number 36. That's in your band book, so you can also look at it in your Sound Innovations book. The reason why I want you to practice it in here is because you can always click on a note, see the fingering, and hear what it sounds like. Moving on, there's still many people not reading key signatures correctly, so please watch this short video. It's a less than 5-minute video. And then lastly, your 2 assignments for this week. The first one has to do with chart 8, and the last one has to do with these fun tunes that are linked right here. I'm going to go ahead and click the next button, because after your daily checklist, you should always click next, and you're going to see your first assignment of the week. It is to write in the counts for lines 3 and 4. Here's a video showing you how to do that if you don't know how to do that, and then you'll submit that assignment. And your second assignment is going to be with these fun tunes. Take a look over the document that I've just opened, and after you practice through them, you'll record yourselves, and here's a little script for you to follow. This does have to be an audio recording, a video recording, not just an audio recording. So you can see here's some fun tunes for different instruments, and if you don't like the tunes that I have picked for your instrument and you search for another one and you can play it well enough, that's fine also. If you have any questions, just let